everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we're going to show you how to get a Meta AI chatbot on Instagram. So let's dive right in. Check for an update. The first step is to check that your Instagram app is up to date. Go to the Google Play Store if you're using Android or the App Store if you're using iPhone and check if an update is available for the Instagram app. Updating the app ensures that you have access to all the latest features and improvements. If the application is updated and refreshed and you still have problems, don't worry, we have more tricks up our sleeves. Switch and reinstall. If you encounter problems with the Meta AI chatbot on Instagram, try uninstalling the app and then reinstalling it. This process can help clear any cached data or temporary files that may be causing the problem. To do this on Android, go to Settings, then scroll down to the Apps option in the drop-down menu, then select the Manage Apps option. Find Instagram in the Search Apps box in the list of apps and select it. When the option opens, scroll down to the option Clear Data and click on it, and then check. If even then the Meta AI chatbot does not appear, then go back to this option related to Instagram and then click on Uninstall. When the application is uninstalled, it will be installed on your device. If this trick doesn't work either, then we have the last one left. Contact the Help Center. If you're still having trouble with Instagram's Meta AI chatbot, don't hesitate to contact Instagram's Help Center for help. They have a dedicated team of support staff that can help with any issues you may face. To contact the Help Center, simply open the Instagram app, go to your profile, tap the menu icon in the upper right corner, then in the drop-down menu, scroll down and tap the Help option. Then on the new page, select the Report a Problem option. Describe your issue in detail and send it to the support team via Instagram. And there it is. By following these simple steps, you should now be able to run Meta AI chatbot on Instagram. If you found this guide helpful, be sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to ours for more tech tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.